Alright, we are going to go live here. I'm going to run the numbers for the bobblehead pool. 2:44 p.m. January 7th, we will type live. We are live. 2:44 p.m. 2:44 p.m. We're going to grab our list. 10 players. And we are going to drop it into random. 10 entries. I'm on the bottom. Jake's on top. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a Raz. And we have a 5. We're rolling 5 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 times. Dice shows a 5. Next click, we got our numbers. Good luck. And 5. Here's our numbers, guys. I will drop them into a comment on the post down here. That's the final roll. We are done. 2:45 p.m. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 2:45 p.m. 2:45 p.m.